Two new Samsung phones are on the way, and it's clear that Samsung is unwilling to give up on that foldable phone future. Samsung's second big event of 2022 is fast approaching, and to build up hype, the company has launched an official trailer for the next Galaxy Unpacked event, in which it shows off the designs of at least two new phones. And they are almost certainly the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Galaxy Z Fold 4. While Samsung hasn't mentioned these handsets by name, we've long been expecting to see them both at this event on August 10th. However, previous teasers have focused specifically on the successor of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, so seeing the new Z Fold here is reassuring. So what are we expecting to see from these phones? Well, the video only shows a brief glimpse of each of them, but various angles are shown and some details can be made out. In the case of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, there appears to be two rear camera lenses along with a flash. That's in line with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and so is the two-tone design on the rear, as well as the arrangement of the buttons, ports, and antenna lines from what we can see. Glimpses of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold are more fleeting, but this too looks very similar to its predecessor from what we can see. And to be honest, none of that is particularly surprising, since the leaks have suggested the exact same. Beyond the imagery, this trailer also includes some text that hints at possible improvements. There's a mention of new ways to work and play, new ways to capture life, and new experiences that will forever change our behavior. Capturing life is likely a hint to the camera upgrades that we're expecting, especially as it's followed by an image of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4's lenses. Meanwhile, mentions of new ways to work and play could be a hint at the rumored S Pen slot in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. We'll find out for sure on August 10th, but with the S22 Ultra adopting the S Pen and the death of the Note phone being mourned around the world, we'd put decent money on some S Pen integration on this next generation of foldable devices. While the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 are likely to be the stars of Samsung's August 10th event, they're not the only things that we're expecting to see, with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro also likely to make an appearance. They are expected to be top-end wearables with worryingly high price tags, but also big upgrades to the battery, so I guess that's pretty exciting. We may also see other gadgets, such as the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, though at least one source reckons that they'll land before August 10th. Either way, this looks set to be a packed event indeed, and I bet that's the first time you've ever heard that joke. We'll be covering the launch in full, so make sure you subscribe to TechRadar here on YouTube and you won't miss any of the news on what could be the best foldables and smartwatches of this year.